doing? You came to higher ground. Aren't you smart? Aren't you smarty pantses? Come on. Come on, sweetie pies. Look at him kicking. Are you happy? And looking like a drowned rat. Come on. Come on. Go bully the pig. A few trees down. Come on, sweetie pie. Oh, Lord, you look a wreck. You look a wreck, son. All right. Now let's get into these.
Ooh. That hurt. It really messed up.
Hey, sweetie. Got the zoomies. Look at you. I can't even recognize you. You're soaking wet. It was soaking wet. Is that Sabbath or Ozzy?
That's Ozzy.
I can't even tell.
That's Ozzy.
There we
that's
go.
Sabbath.
There's Sabbath.
You can tell by who's kicking and who's not.
Who's acting a fool? Oh my God, you guys are drowned rats. Ah! What's your head? Oh. Come on. Do your zoomies. Do your zoomies. Oh my Lord. Come on. You're fine. Throw those feet. Hi, sweetie pies. Oh, I'm so worried about you. You're just soaking wet. You're soaking wet. Oh my gosh. Poor guys. Hey, sweet Sharon. Come on, fatty pig. Come on, little pumpkin. Oh, fatty. Come on, fatty cakes. Come on, fatty cakes. Come on, fatty cakes. Hi, sweetie. Oh, that nose. Look at it. We can see your eyeballs. Hi.
What's up, Boromir?
Hey, Boromir. Hey, Sabbath.
Hey, what happened?
Oh, he's trying to rub. Say, God, thank God you're here. Look. Oh, you're so sweet. He's like, oh, thank God you're here. Oh, rub-a-dub-dub. Good Lord, Boromir. You're a little...
Girl.
Look at your curls. Say, woof. Oh, say, thank God Mom came to give us a snack. So we got a treat. We got a treat and we were starving. Look at your curly hair. Look at your curls. There's Boromir getting his big old pig on. Little Sharon. Little Sharon, you getting your snack on, girl? Not too bad, not too bad. Just a couple of branches. Are you better? Oh, I'm so glad you guys are safe. These faces. Where are you going? These faces.